Just a quick how-to repair video. The problem is the door latch or even the door catch, sometimes they do become extremely loose, and the reason behind it is just the hole where the screws goes into actually gets too big, and some people call it stripped. So the way to repair that or get it working again, I'm gonna use golf tees, and this is how you repair it. I went ahead and loosened this up. Just 2 screws going into that, loosen it up, and pull this out. After that, pull this out. There it is. 2 holes, just gotten too big. So, use a golf tees to repair it. You could either use a blade to cut it or just break it like that. You could also use a toothpick, but I think the golf tees is a perfect size. And there you go. Put it back. That's one. That's tight. That is it. And put back the hardware together again. That's nice and tight. Let me show you operation. Back, car. Come on. Out you go. Perfect. Nice and tight. Thanks for watching.